First of all, it is not an promotion. It is completely unboxing video and my personal opinion video. I ordered this whey protein just to taste. Hello guys, this is the unboxing video of Avatar whey protein. Currently, I am using natural protein and supplements, but yes, for the thing of, as you know, trial. So let's unbox this and give it a try. And thing is, ते टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, फटाफट कर दे अनबॉक्स एवेटार वे प्रोटीन। पहली बारी मंगाया मैं एवेटार दा प्रोटीन। पहले तो मैं यूज़ करता सी नैचुरल टीन दा प्रोटीन ही यूज़ करता सी, लेकिन इस टाइम मैं मंगाया है एवेटार दा वे प्रोटीन। ते सब तो पहला थल्ले खुल गया, डब्बा पुट्ठा खुल गया। समटाइम्स इट हैपन, खुल जाता कभी कभी। सो हियर इज आर वे प्रोटीन। पैकेजिंग काफ़ी वधिया है, नाइस पैकेजिंग, वाह। हियर कम्स आर एवेटार वे प्रोटीन। देख सकते हो तो भी किवें दी ਇਹਦੀ ਪੈਕੇਜਿੰਗ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ। ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਓਟਮੀਲ ਬੋਲ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ। भाई it's looking really nice, the packaging is good, the box is looking good. So now it's time to unwrap and taste it and give it a try to our oatmeal bowl. मेरा प्री वर्कआउट oatmeal bowl है ਇਹਨੂੰ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ। So I'm gonna open it. Sorry, ma'am, I have ordered this मलाई कुल्फी फ्लेवर फ्रॉम देयर ओरिजिनल वेबसाइट एंड देखते हैं भाई बहुत लोग कहते सी ट्राई कर लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई। मैं पहले नैचुरल प्रोटीन का सप्लीमेंट लै रहा सी, हुण देखते हैं। लेट्स स्मैल इट फर्स्ट। स्मैल तो वधिया है, ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ यार सारा ਉਹਦਾ ਸਕੂਪ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸਕੂਪ। ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੜਛੀ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ। ਥੋੜਾ ਚਮਚਾ ਜਾਂ ਕੜਛੀ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੁਗਾੜ ਹੈਗਾ, we can use this knife if you want to grab its scoop. So, after much patience, we have taken out the scoop from the jar. So guys, finally, after इन्नी मेहनत मशक्कत तो बाद सानू साडा जड़ा स्कूप हुंदा है वो मिल गया है ते मैं मंगाया है। I have ordered malai kulfi flavor this time. Let's try this, how it tastes upon my oatmeal bowl. Now we'll talk about Avatar 100% performance वे मलाई कुल्फी फ्लेवर एंड माय ओपिनियन, माय रिव्यू एंड the unboxing तो तुसी देख लिया है, you have seen its unboxing and now it's time to give the review and personal opinion for this flavor. Now I have consumed this way with oatmeal bowl and it contains dahi yogurt with some blueberries. As you can show, I'll put the image here and it will definitely, first of all I'll tell you about the protein intake, like how much protein does this jar had. This jar had 27.5 grams of protein per heaping scoop. Like per scoop contains 27.5 grams of protein and with 29 servings. Like I'm talking about 1 kg jar. With glutamic acid 3.8 grams, BCAA 6.1 gram and other EAA 6.1 grams. And if I'll talk about the nutritional information, like it contains, first of all, no sugar at all. It contains ingredients, if I talk about like ingredients list, it contains whey protein concentrate, then stabilizers 4.13 and 4.16, then iodized salt, acesulfame potassium for sweetening the taste of the whey protein, and then it contains sucralose, which is another artificial sweetener which helps to which helps to sweetening the protein, and then it contains sunflower lecithin to make it a little thick texture of this whey protein. And this protein is manufactured by Parag Milk Foods, which is the part of Govardhan, which also manufactures the Govardhan ghee, which you eat and I eat at daily basis. And it also contains, first of all, we talk about that how this whey protein has been made. There are two ways which whey protein made through: cross flow filtration method and the ionized filtration method. The cross flow filtration method is which is 100% pure natural filtration technology, microfilter technology absorbed that. The thing matter is, one is natural filtration method, one is artificial, like it removes all the good bacteria from it and like the absorption of the whey gets barely minimum to your body. And if I talk about the natural, the cross filtration method, 95% plus it will get absorbed to your body. So this is one of the best example of the filtration method I can give you in the easiest way. Rich in BCAA, EAA. First of all, it is not an promotion. It is completely unboxing video and my personal opinion video. I ordered this whey protein just to taste and just to consider its so it promotes 100% muscle recovery as other protein also mentions. And I got this 1 kg jar around 2850, like I got it around 2800 rupees after applying coupon code. You can check it out on the website or from any influencer you watch. You'll get straightly 300 rupees discount directly. Its MRP is written 3559 for just 1 kg. As you can see here, the MRP is this, if you can see here, and this is the barcode you can scan and get to know about its authenticity or not. I have directly ordered it from the company's original website. And yeah, I'll give this protein 10 out of 8, 2 marks cut because of the artificial sweetener put it in it. It is again my personal recommendation, my personal choice. No company has sponsored me till now. I would like to, if the company will sponsor me, the company just sponsor कर देगी तब फिर तो इस तो वड्डी गल कुछ हो नहीं सकती। टेस्ट बहुत वधिया है, फॉलो कर सकते हो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਲਈ, ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਮਿਸਡ ਬਰਗ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਮਿਲਣਗੀਆਂ, ਫਿਟਨੈਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਮਿਥਸ, ਐਥਲੀਟਸ reactions and more fitness nutrition related videos like you can follow this channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching the video.